if you want to study accounting and you are the beginner, then the first and the foremost book that should be considered by you and should be studied deeply is Financial and Managerial Accounting: The Basics of Business Decision by William Haka Beitner. Okay, so if you are new worldwide, if you want to have accounting concepts and make them better, you should consider this book and go thoroughly by the first chapter. Here you can see that if you want to create a solid understanding about accounting basics, it will be very beneficial for you. You see that there are many chapters in it, and we are going to study the first chapter today. And let me go to the first chapter. The first chapter is obviously about the introduction to accounting. Okay, that what is accounting and why we should learn accounting, what is the usage of accounting is in our practical life, and if anybody pursues accounting career, what is the benefit and where it can be used. Okay, so let's go fast to the first chapter, Financial Managerial Accounting. Yes, the first chapter has a title that Accounting Information for Decision Making. Here the dashboard shows that we are being given some information about some companies and some businesses, that how they are going. There are some graphs and some values and some positive values, some percentages, and we are focusing on the dashboard and getting information about those companies. Where from where this information comes? So the channel from which this information is transformed and is communicated to us is accounting. Accounting, in fact, maintains all the information that is relevant and necessary about any business and non-business organization, and provide to the people who are interested in making decisions about the organization that is providing information to them. Okay, so here in the chapter there are several objective. Learning objective 1 is discuss accounting as a language of business and the role of accounting information in making economic decisions, and this is what we are going to focus today. Okay, so let's see that here this is the main part, that the primary objective of accounting is to provide information that is useful for decision making purpose. That if you are accountant, then you will maintain the information about business organization or non-business organization whatsoever, and will provide that information to the people. From the very start, we emphasize that accounting is not an end. Accounting is not our purpose, of course. In fact, the people who are connected to the business wants to make the decisions relating to the business, whether it is the investment decision or credit decision, or somebody can be our customer and he wants to make the decision about whether to purchase the goods from us or not, and somebody may be our supplier and he wants the information that he should get the he should give us goods or services on credit or not. There are some potential employees who want to get the information about that, whether they should join our organization or not, and government wants to know about our business, because we have to pay the taxes to the government, and investors want to know that whether the business is profitable or not. So, and creditor wants to know that whether the business is solvent or not and profitable or not. So these are many people who want to have information about our business. So this is the purpose for which we maintain the information. So accounting is not our purpose. Accounting is for some another purpose, and that purpose is to make the decision. That's why it is written that accounting is not an end, but rather it is means to an end. It means that accounting is done in order to provide information to the people, and those people are called users of accounting information. And once they get the information, they make their decision whether to invest, whether to give credit or not, whether to join the organization as employee or not. So that the final product of accounting information is a decision that is enhanced by the user use of that information. So the main thing is that the people want to use the information that is provided by the accountants. Okay, whether the decision is made by the owner, management, creditor, government regulatory bodies, labor union, or many other groups that have an interest in the financial performance of an enterprise. So there are many people who want to have the information and make the decisions. So this is what we do accounting for. Because accounting is widely used to describe all types of activity, it is commonly referred to as language of business. Why accounting is called language of business? Because with the help of accounting, we provide information to the people. If there is no accounting, we cannot provide information, we cannot communicate the information about our business activities to the people, to the users of accounting information. That is why it is called language of business. Language, we can communicate about our business to the people outside the business organization. Cost, prices, sales volume. There are many terminologies that are different from our normal life, and we should know the meaning of those terminologies as per the accounting and the measurement and the treatment of that. Investor, creditor, managers, and other who have a financial interest in an enterprise need a clear understanding of accounting terms. It means that whosoever is connected to the business must have the concepts of accounting and must know the meaning of the terminologies, so that he can understand the accounting reports and make the decisions, make the relevant decisions. Okay, so this is the introduction of accounting, that what is accounting. And I think you must have understood that accounting is the art. Accounting is the accounting includes the methods and procedures that are used to maintain information and to communicate those information with the help of reports that are produced by the maintained information, and those reports are provided to the people that are outside the business organization and they want to know about the business. Okay, so inshallah, in the next lecture we will go ahead and we will understand other uh, relevant concepts that are necessary in order to understand accounting. Okay, bye, thanks.